Today's video, I sell my luxury bags and accessories, so let's go. Hi guys, and welcome back on this English YouTube channel. My name is Margot, alias margavalux. I'm 28 years old, finally. I got 28 yesterday. As I'm speaking, I'm in New York City. I'm beyond exciting because I'm living in Europe and this is like my birthday trip. So I'm very excited. I filmed this video a few days ago before leaving. And so in this video, I will sell you bags and accessories, but I will be available for shipping them only from the 16th of May. So I will ship everything on the 16th or 17th maximum, I promise. But in the meantime, if you don't know, so the website is bamluxurystore.com, and you can either buy on the website directly with your credit card, or you can contact me and I will make an invoice and you make a bank transfer. Anyway, we ship worldwide as usual, so let's get into it. First, we're gonna start with this amazing little Dior wallet. This is the monogram, like very famous from Dior. This is like the red Bordeaux one. It is in condition used, I'm not gonna lie, it's not perfect condition, but still, you can, I think, clean this one with probably like some soap and a toothbrush very slowly, or make the cleaning with a specialized company, as for example in the US, the leather surgeons, I think. Or I believe like now the one brand, I don't remember, have a cleaning kit or something. I know, but yeah, as you can see, when we open the coin section, you have a before after. So yeah, it's kind of dirty. You can clean it, obviously. We have a leather part here, which is in very good condition, and the inside of the coin section is very good. We have discoloration this side, but otherwise it's very good condition on the inside. The other side of the wallet, I'm gonna open it to you right now, is pretty good condition. We have still like a leather inside in Bordeaux color. We have a Christian Dior Paris here. You have lots of section for cards, both sides. You have lots of pockets inside, so this is actually very useful. And a larger pocket here in very good condition too. The price will be amazing. You're gonna love the price anyway, because this is such a small price. We have a price of 139 euro for this one, which is a very good price for concerning the condition of the item. I will put you the price in euro and also in USD. Anyway, when you buy from the website, it's mostly in your own currency, and if it's not, if it's in euro, you can buy anyway. Okay guys, so we have also this amazing Louis Vuitton monogram card holder in monogram canvas. The condition of this one also is good, used. We have a very good canvas condition, but we have corners rubbed and a bit damaged. Voilà. Especially on this side, it starts to, like the stitchings are getting out of here. I don't know why, but it was used obviously. And the inside of it is not in very good condition, as you can see, but it's still okay. It's the plastic who has like stains. Anyway, the price is also super good. It's 130 euro, which is a very good price and a very low price. I am keeping the Chanel bag for the last one I want to show you. I'm not showing this to you now. Stay with me until the end, because this is such a bag. This is an amazing one. This is such a beauty, and I will show you at the end of the video. Wait for it. In the meantime, I also want to show you this amazing Speedy. This has the size 30, so this is actually a very good size. We have a very good condition for this one. The canvas is in very nice condition, in nice shape. We have very caramelized leather parts, which is actually very good. No stains, it's very diffused, so it's actually nice. The top handles are in good condition. The only thing about this one is here, the zipper. The leather part is missing, is broken, but it's very common on the Speedy. You can change this for 25 euro in a Louis Vuitton store. It's 2023 prices, so it's actually pretty good. Or you can just let the thing like this, actually, because this part is more sensible and it's very common that it broke. Anyway, we have a perfect inside, no stain, no pen marks. We have the little pocket here, same in very good condition, and we have the serial number just here, which is actually perfect. The price for this one is 400 euros, so this is actually a very, very nice price. I will have a video releasing probably a bit later where I talk about the Speedy and you will see why, but it's gonna be a very interesting video. Anyway, we will go with a bigger Speedy. No, it is not a Speedy, it's a keepall. I'm very excited because it has the size 60 actually. The canvas is in very good condition. The leather parts are in amazing condition. We have a dust bag for this one, and we have the tag, we have a padlock with the key. It has a very good condition. The only thing about this one, it doesn't have like lots of stain actually, so I'm pretty impressed about this one. But the only thing about this one, and I wanted to show you, it's on the back of the bag. You have a damage here on the canvas. It's the size of my my finger here. It's not that big. You will see on the photos on the website. Otherwise, the condition is amazing for this one, and it has a very good price in the end. Knowing this, we have a serial number just here. No stain inside, and the price range is amazing. We have a keepall 60, but you can add a bandolier because I don't have the strap, for 569 euro. This is nothing. You have the dust bag, you can add a strap whenever you want. This is a very great keepall. This is a very good investment. You will love it for spring, summer, for traveling everywhere, weekend, all the days, a week, whatever you want. In the hand, I also have this Chanel box. This is the best Chanel I have. My boyfriend wanted me to keep this one because it's so cute. You will love it, you will see. I had the box for this one. I don't have the dust bag. I put like a dust bag, but this is not the Chanel one, as you can see. It's only to protect the bag. I'm gonna remove it right now. And as you can see, we have a very cute Diana vintage bag from Chanel. We have a very smooth black leather. The condition of this bag is gorgeous. So I'm going to show you with the strap. So we have the big strap here. We have gold hardware. This is a very vintage one. The condition of this one is just amazing, guys. It's in a very, very, very good condition. I'm amazed. The price will be so good. I don't know why I open it for now, because I want to show you first the outside of the bag. So outside is in very good condition. Every part of the leather is amazing. You have very few little scratches, but it's very usual, like normal scratches. Here on the corner it's very little rubbed, but very, very little. Here too you have one part, but this is so small for this kind of bag. I'm impressed. The quality of this bag is just insane. We have few little scratches on the bottom of the bag. It's nothing. I'm so impressed with the condition of it. Yeah, here it's a little bit rubbed, but nothing that much. Even on the sides of the bag, it's in amazing condition. I am shocked, guys. I am beyond shocked. The strap, the bandolier, is in amazing condition. I have nothing to say. The bag was so well protected. I have to admit, this is gorgeous. When we open the bag, we have the Chanel Paris here. Everything is gold inside, obviously. I protect with bubbles inside. What I love about those kind of bags is the closing here of the strap. It's very different from the new ones. Inside is in very nice condition, almost brand new, nothing to declare. We have a sticker inside with its star. It's a 2 series, so it's pretty nice. We have 2 pockets inside, one with a zipper, one without it. So both are in very good condition. I'm just checking another time, but this is gorgeous. I'm just impressed and I'm shocked and I'm in love with the bag. I want to keep the bag for me. I know I can't keep them all, but this is such a smooth bag. Impressive, you know. And for this one, the price is a pépite. It's amazing. It's a very, very, very low price, and it's a very surprise one. It's a gift from me to you. The price is 2,919 euro. I know. It's crazy, like less than 3,000 euro. It's insane. And it's yours, and it's a black one. oh, it's crazy. So if you want it, just go very quickly on the website. You can pay in payment plan. You can pay to four different times if you want, not more, because then it's a little bit more. But you can pay if you want in 2, 3, or 4 times on this type of item without any fees. So this is actually so nice, and we ship worldwide. Thank you so much for watching this video. I was very happy to make this type of video, of course. I love this, guys. I love doing this. This is like my dream job. I really enjoy what I'm doing. I hope you too. So yeah, thank you so much and see you soon. Bye.